Hi, everybody. It's Mike Taylor with Innovative E. With me, I have Brian Quick.
Hey, folks.
Hey, today what we want to talk about is the brand new Microsoft project, and it's just been released by Microsoft, and there's some really exciting stuff, and I think it's really geared towards making project management more available to everyone. It's a tool really for the citizen project management. Wouldn't you say, Brian?
Yeah, it really is, Mike, and it's really special. Here, I'll show it to you right now. And what we're
Perfect.
really looking at here is Microsoft's attempt to embrace a whole new community. These are the folks that are using project, alternatives like Excel, and they're stuck in that world, and they really can't get out of it. And project itself is too heavy for them. It's just not something that is going to be easy for them to use. It's just too many things going on in there. So what they really are embracing here is a new community that needs things that are easier to use. I'm just going to go in here. I'm in Office 365, and I've created a new project, and that's that, Mike. I'm in.
Wow. One click.
That's it. One click, and I'm in. So I've got a project that's called Untitled Project. I'm just going to call it Brian's Project 2, and then I'm going to give it a start date of the 14th, and I'm off and running. Now, what I can do here is just add really quick tasks in here, like initiation, planning, execution, whatever you need your task to be, closure. I'm just going to add a quick framework for a project here, and you can see how easy that was, Mike.
Oh, yeah. Super easy.
Yeah. So once I'm in here, I'm looking at this, and I can say, what's my duration for this task? I'm just typing in here. I'm going to say a day. And I can say, maybe 2 days for this one, maybe a day for this one. And this may be enough for some folks that are just looking to get some tracking. Why use this, though, over Excel? It's because there's a scheduling engine behind this. There's a component here. It's the power of Microsoft Project, but really the usability of a web app, like a software as a service app.
Right.
So
absolutely.
Here I'm looking at group members, and this is using Office 365 groups. I can add a member to the group. I can tack it onto an existing group. And so that really kind of pulls it together with overall group management in Office 365, makes it easy to share. I can switch between grid and board view. So now I'm in a Kanban board, Mike. I mean, just a little one click and I'm there. A lot of tools that are out there that try to do this, you can't move between the two. You can't move between Kanban and board view and grid view. So here I am, and I'm gonna make my categories by progress, so I can move things in progress. So I'm 50% done there. I can go ahead and move this one to done, and I'm 100% complete. It crosses it out for me real nicely, so it's nice and visual.
Cool.
Yeah, it's pretty intuitive to use, I'd have to say. They spend a lot of time on this, making it really usable, and you can really tell. So if I'm in timeline view now, this is like what our typical project managers would call a Gantt chart, Mike. But basically, yeah. So look at this. I'm able to create predecessor-successor relationships by just clicking and dragging. And look at that. I mean, it's really simple. And now if I want to move this task out, I don't have to go back to grid view. I can just go ahead and move it. Look at that. I made it longer. I can extend it out on the calendar, maybe reset my relationship there, and look at that, I'm ready to go. And all those changes, they took place on the grid. I can add a column here for dependents before and depends on, and there's my dependencies reflected right there.
Wow, nice. So it allows people to pretty much work however they want to work. You can either do it in the grid view, or the board view, or more of a timeline, or as traditional project manager would know as a Gantt chart view.
Yeah, so it's real simple. And imagine the possibilities here once people start embracing this. Maybe they're using Planner today, or maybe they're using Excel. Maybe they just want to assign, some quick workout, to people across the organization. It's all integrated with Office. So basically they're going to get the notification. It's going to be in To Do. Really powerful stuff. So
that's great.
Isn't this really going to be a really great new member of the project family? We're really excited about it. Thanks for joining us.
Absolutely. Yeah, thanks a lot, Brian. That was awesome.
All right. Take care, everybody.